Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. I'm going to be making a recipe out of the 3rd edition of the O Taste and See cookbook. And this was actually in like the vegetables and side dishes. But I would think that this would be more of like an appetizer kind of thing. Kind of reminds me of, just looking through it, it reminds me of like the loaded potato skins or halves or whatever that you get like at Chili's or something like that. So let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so it says you need bacon, potatoes, cheese, butter, onion, and salt and pepper. It says cover the pan with aluminum foil and brush with butter. And what I did is I melted some butter because I don't know how else you're gonna brush aluminum foil with butter, except you could take a stick of butter and just kind of rub it on the pan. You could do that. That would work. But okay, so brush that with butter. Then you're going to slice potatoes a 1/2 inch thick. And I've done that. And I'm only going to do like 1 potato. I was going to do more, but it's just me that's going to eat these because I'm the only adult that's home right now. So I'm probably going to be the only one that would eat them. So, that's a little small potato. So it gives me a nice little, kind of like a baked potato bites, kind of. So arrange potatoes and top with butter or, yeah. Okay, so arrange potatoes, done. Top with butter. So let's butter these. Oh, I'll go ahead and get the sides too. Okay, and then the one thing I did not grab was the salt and pepper. So let me grab salt and pepper. And so we're just gonna do a pinch of salt. Usually you could use like, I can't really see what I'm salting. You can use coarser salt, maybe. I'm just gonna do this with the pepper. Might be a little bit too much pepper on some of them, but like I said, it's me eating it, so it's not a big deal. And then it says to chopped bacon, and I'm just using real bacon pieces, bacon bits, because I've always got them on hand because of the salads and things. So chopped bacon, cheese, and onions. And I don't know if that's like onion, or if it's like onion chives, you know, like green onion, or if it's regular, you know, like a yellow onion or a white onion or something like that. I'm not going to put onion on them. I'm just going to do them like this. I'll add like a lot of bacon. So I'm just going to do them like this. I'm not going to put onion on them. And then top with cheese. And it doesn't say what kind of cheese. It just says cheese. And so I've got some sharp cheddar here that, oh, it's already open. And then it says to cook for 20 to 40 minutes at 350 until done. So my oven just told me it was preheated. And so I like a lot of cheese on mine. I've never actually had these before, but I like a lot of cheese on my baked potatoes. And I also got some sour cream. I'm gonna put a little dollop of sour cream on each of these. But these would be like a cute little appetizer thing. So let me stick these in the oven and I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, so the potato things are out of the oven. Don't they look cute? I put sour cream on some and sour cream not, or I guess I put sour cream on some and didn't put sour cream on others. But this is, see, this is just a little cute little hors d'oeuvre. Isn't that cute? So, very, very good. So, I will be making these again. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you have not already subscribed to Sunday Potluck, please do so. And again, I'll put my Cash App and my Venmo in the description if you feel led to give for our mission trip coming up in the summer. So I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.